Hi everyone, welcome to today's chemistry class. Today we will discuss the topic unimolecular nucleophilic substitution, that is SN1 reaction, SN1 mechanism. So in SN1 mechanism, it follows a first order kinetics, so it is known as unimolecular substitution reaction, and the first step is a rate determining step. So rate is is in K into alkyl halide. Rate is equal to K into alkyl halide. That is the concentration of the reactant in മാത്രമേ rate depend ചെയ്യുകയുള്ളൂ. So mechanism is SN1, which stands for nucleophilic substitution unimolecular. Substitution nucleophilic unimolecular, that is SN1. Okay. So we can see the details of this SN1 reaction. It occurs in two steps and the reaction is first order. Okay. So this SN1 reaction occurs in two steps, but it is a first order reaction. It is considered as a first order reaction. And here in step 1, the polarized CX bond undergoes slow heterolysis to produce carbocation and a halide ion. So here an intermediate is formed, and that intermediate is carbocation, that is positively charged carbocation, and the rate of the reaction depends upon this carbocation. The carbocation reacts with the nucleophile in step 2, and in step 2 the carbocation reacts with the nucleophile, maybe OH minus or any nucleophile H2 like that, and complete the substitution reaction. And here step 1 is very slow and step 2 is fast. So step 1 is considered as the rate determining step because it is the slow step. So actually slow step is considered as the rate determining step. സ്ലോ സ്റ്റെപ്പ് ഫാസ്റ്റ് ആയെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ ആ റിയാക്ഷൻ വേഗം നടക്കുകയുള്ളൂ, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സ്ലോ സ്റ്റെപ്പ് മര്യാദയ്ക്ക് നടന്നാൽ മാത്രമേ ആ റിയാക്ഷൻ നടക്കുകയുള്ളൂ. ഫാസ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള സ്റ്റെപ്പ് എപ്പോഴും ഫാസ്റ്റ് നടക്കും. അതുകൊണ്ട് സ്ലോ സ്റ്റെപ്പിനെ മാത്രമാണ് നമ്മുടെ റിയാക്ഷൻ്റെ റേറ്റ് ഡിറ്റർമൈൻ ചെയ്യുക. സോ സ്റ്റെപ്പ് 1 ഈസ് ദ റേറ്റ് ഡിറ്റർമൈനിങ് സ്റ്റെപ്പ് ഇൻ SN1 റിയാക്ഷൻ. ക്ലിയർ? Then characteristics of the SN1 mechanism. So it is a first order kinetics, that is the rate is equal to K into concentration of alkyl halide. So it is unimolecular rate determining step. So the first step is the rate determining step. It is a unimolecular reaction, that is order is 1. Carbocation intermediate, rate follows carbocation stability, rearrangements are observed. So here carbocation intermediate is formed and the rate follows carbocation stability. So the rate depends upon the stability of carbocation, and the rearrangements also takes place here in SN1 mechanism. So it depends upon the concentration. The rate depends upon the concentration of alkyl halide. Also rate depends upon the carbocation intermediate, and the rate follows carbocation stability. Rearrangements are observed in this SN2 mechanism, SN1 mechanism, not SN2, SN1 mechanism. Okay. So here you can see the step 1 and step 2. So here you have the first step. In this Lg is leaving group. We have CH3 3 times Clg, that is the reactant here. So in step 1 the leaving group is leaving and you are getting a carbocation in the step 1. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലാക്കാൻ പറ്റും, ഒരു പോസിറ്റീവ്ലി ചാർജ്ഡ് ഒരു tertiary carbocation you are getting there, and in step 1. Okay. അതായത് in first step The leaving group breaks the bond between carbon and that halide. Leaving group may be halide, and you are getting a carbocation. And nucleophile attacks from either side. രണ്ട് സൈഡിൽ നിന്ന് അറ്റാക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയും ന്യൂക്ലിയോഫൈലിന്. Nucleophile can attack either side, or from left side or from right side, and you get two products. So you can see the first product in the step 2, that is nucleophile is attached in the left side of the product, and in second step nucleophile is attached at the right side of the product. So you can see that there are two possibilities, 50% of the first product and 50% of the second product. So that is the problem is this carbocation is a little planar, so that nucleophile can attack from either side of the carbocation intermediate. So you get two products with equal concentration. So that is the mechanism of this SN1 reaction. So it is the mechanism. So here step 1 is a slow step, so that is a rate determining step, and step 2 is fast. So the formation of carbocation is the step 1, that is a rate determining step here. So we have another example, mechanism of the SN1 reaction with an alkyl halide and H2. H2 is also a nucleophile. So here you can see a specific example is given here. CH3 3 times CBr. In the first step, that is slow step, carbocation, a tertiary carbocation is formed. So Br is breaking the bond between carbon and Br, and Br is eliminated as Br minus. So you are getting the carbocation in the first step, and that carbocation reacts with water, that is a nucleophile. In the second step, that is a fast reaction, you are getting the product there. Okay, so first of all, this OH H2 is forming a bond between that carbon, bond with that carbocation, and you get an intermediate, and after that H is removed from that reaction, then you are getting the alcohol. So this is also an example for the reaction. Instead of H2O, you can take OH minus. That means OH minus directly attached to that carbocation. Okay, positive charged carbon, and you will get the product. That is all about the mechanism of SN1 reaction. Now you can see the carbocation stability and SN1 reaction rates. Carbocation stability and SN1 reaction rate. So these electronic effects we have studied in first year. Electronic effects govern SN1 rates. Electronic effects means inductive effect, mesomeric effect, resonance effect. Okay, electromeric effect. Okay, so the rate of nucleophilic substitution by the SN1 mechanism is governed by some electronic effects. So formation of carbocation, that means carbocation is the more stable the carbocation, the faster the rate of formation. If the carbocation is more stable, the faster the formation of the product, and greater the rate of unimolecular nucleophilic substitution. Okay, if the carbocation is more stable, the reaction വളരെ ഫാസ്റ്റ് ആയിരിക്കും, and the greater the rate of unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. So we have primary carbocation, secondary carbocation, tertiary carbocation. So you should know what is primary carbocation. Okay, so primary, that means a carbon with a positive charge is known as carbocation. So that is a tertiary carbon. So that is tertiary carbon atom, tertiary carbocation. If a secondary carbon atom is having a positive charge, it is a secondary carbocation. If a primary carbon atom bears a positive charge, it is primary carbocation. Okay, so if it is more stable, then the rate is also high. Now the relative reactivities of alkyl halides in an SN1 reaction. Okay, so here tertiary alkyl halide is greater than secondary alkyl, tertiary alkyl halide less than secondary alkyl halide greater than primary alkyl halide. Okay, so here tertiary alkyl halide greater than secondary alkyl halide greater than primary alkyl halide എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ tertiary alkyl halide ആയിരിക്കും ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ reactivity, most reactive. Then secondary alkyl halide. The least reactive alkyl halide is primary alkyl halide. So the order of reactivity is tertiary alkyl halide greater than secondary alkyl halide greater than primary alkyl halide. So then what is the reason for that? What is the reason for that? You can see that reason. Okay, so here decreasing SN1 reactivity. So here one example is given there. CH3 3 times CBr, CH3 2 times CHBr, CH3 CH2 Br, then CH3 Br. This is a decreasing order. So first one is that CH3 3 times Br is the tertiary carbocation. Then CH3 2 times CHBr is a secondary carbocation. Then CH3 CH2Br is primary. Also CH3Br also primary. So here primary carbocation is least reactive. So you have to note this, that in the case of tertiary carbocation, it has more hyperconjugative resonance structures. Okay, hyperconjugative structures or resonance structures. So that is, it is more reactive. Then secondary case tertiary കുറച്ച് കുറവാണ് ഹൈപ്പർ കോൺജുഗേഷൻ, പ്രൈമറിക്കും കുറച്ച് കുറവാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതലുള്ള tertiaryക്കാണ്. So tertiary is more reactive because it has more hyperconjugative structures. Are you getting me? Okay, so tertiary, the order of reactivity is tertiary greater than secondary greater than primary alkyl halide. Okay, so here also you have one stability feature. Methyl cation CH3 plus. Okay, CH3 plus, that is primary. Then CH3 CH2 plus, that is also primary. Then CH3 CH plus CH3, that is secondary. Then CH3 C plus CH3 CH, that is tertiary. So the reactivity, these are intermediate carbocation that we get, okay, during the SN1 reaction. So here also we can check the order of stability. Carbocation stability we can check. So here methyl cation is least reactive because it has no hyperconjugative structure. So we have already studied what is hyperconjugation. Okay, no bond resonance. Okay, if there is a no bond between two atoms, we have studied that hyperconjugative structure in 11th class. If the unsaturated carbon atom is come in contact with or conjugation with an unsaturated system, there will be no bond exists between carbon and halogen. So it is known as no bond resonance, that we have studied. So hyperconjugation is the reason for this stability. Okay, stability കുറിച്ച് പറയുമ്പോൾ hyperconjugation explain ചെയ്താൽ മതി എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് this carbocation is having more stability എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ because of hyperconjugative structure or no bond resonance structure. If the number of structures increases, the stability also increases. So primary is having least number of structure, then secondary is more than that of primary, then tertiary is having more number of structures, hyperconjugative structures. So the order of stability is given here, primary less than secondary less than tertiary. അപ്പോൾ tertiary ആയിരിക്കും ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങളോട് ചോദിക്കാം, in sometimes question may be like this, some questions will be given, SN1 reactionോട് കൂടുതൽ റിയാക്ടിവിറ്റി കാണിക്കുക എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ് you will be getting some compounds, sometimes tertiary or secondary carbocations will be given, or secondary or tertiary alkyl halide will be given. So at that time you have to answer the alkyl halide with tertiary carbon atom. That means tertiary, not tertiary carbon atom, tertiary alkyl halide. Okay, that is more reactive. From tertiary alkyl halide you are getting tertiary carbocation. Are you getting me? So the SN1 reaction is the two-step reaction. In first step, carbon and bond between carbon and halogen is breaking and you get a carbocation. And in second step, the bond is formed between nucleophile and a carbon. Clear? So step 1 is very slow step. So that is a rate determining step. And step 2 is the fast step. Okay, and it follows a first order kinetics. Okay, order is 1, and the order of reactivity is tertiary greater than secondary greater than primary. Okay, so nucleophilic substitution reaction is, here it is, we discussed is unimolecular substitution, nucleophilic no molecular, unimolecular. So here it is a two-step process. Okay, two-step process follows first order kinetic, so it is known as substitution nucleophilic unimolecular. That is all about today's session. Thank you.